After a lot of searching and head scratching to try to get my MC2100 motor control board working for another project, I discovered this pulse code generator and figured out the frequency that was required to make the control board work. I have it all wired up, and as you can see, as we dial up the duty percentage, on comes the motor. I can comfortably get it up to about 45% on the duty cycle, and then there must be speed limiting functions on the motor control board from the treadmill itself to prevent it from going any faster than that. But at 45%, I can get it up to about 2,800 RPM. Beyond that, it wants to shut itself down. Oh, we'll get back on the board there. Yeah. If I could hold the meter steady enough. Well, we got 2,524 RPM. I've had it a little bit higher, but it's not very stable once you get it up at higher. Might need new batteries in my meter too. 2,500, 25. And there you go. So there it is, a frequency meter off of eBay, worth about 10-12 bucks, and simple wiring to remove all the normal control panel wiring, and we've got our MC2100 working.